but where's the makeup? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you, unboxing, reviewing, demoing the works, my Boxycharm Premium box for the month of June. I've already done my base box and my Luxe box, so I will link those up above. So if you haven't seen those, feel free to go check out those unboxings. But this video is going to be the Premium box. This is the $35 subscription. So if that is something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. I will, again, link the other two unboxings for the month. And this is going to be my final unboxing. And there's like no makeup in this box. So yeah, let's jump into the skincare box. Stay tuned. So, as always, this is the Premium box. It is the $35 a month with a guaranteed value over $175. I cannot tell you my variation weight because all three of my boxes come in a big box shipped together because this is PR, but it is not sponsored. All of my opinions are my own. This is variation C2106293, which is huge. So the 21 is the year 2021. 06 is June, which means this is variation 293. That is absolutely ridiculous that there are 293 variations, so we are already not off to a great start. You know, I miss the old days of Boxycharm where there were like 3 variations, and it was maybe a bunch of different colors of lipstick, but the basic box was the same. It felt like more of this curated experience, whereas now it's just a bunch of products in a box. I still love the box. It is still my favorite subscription, but I definitely miss when it used to be like, we all kind of got the same boxes and we can all get excited together. Anyway, first item out of this box comes from One Size. This is Patrick Starr's brand. These are the Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches. A pack of 6 super-sized under eye patches that help to hydrate, depuff, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and texture. Get into the self-care moment. Retails for $25. And it is 6 pairs. So we're going to try those on today. They do come individually wrapped. I have to say, the pink and red is a really cute packaging, and everything is very branded. These are absolutely massive. Most eye gels are much smaller. So I can tell you right now that this is definitely going to be a bigger eye gel than I am typically used to. But we're going to apply them anyway. I think I like that they're so big because they cover such a massive area of the skin. And I do love the shape because, like, if I was in a rush, I could do my eyeshadow with these on because this won't be disrupted by this. So, jumping into the... I probably should have read the instructions first. Hydrate, blur, and prime the under eyes with our supersized eye patches, so they know they're supersized, that help to depuff, reduce the appearance of dark circles, smooth fine lines, and improve texture. Use daily if desired before makeup. Apply onto clean, dry under eyes, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and then discard, gently pat the remaining serum into the skin. Beautiful. I'm going to go and let these chill on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, we are back, and we're just about at that 10-minute mark. What I will say is I got up, I walked around. These are not going anywhere. Like, I can shake my head, I can walk around, I can do things. I like this kind of a material of eye mask. I like these. I like the Wander Beauty under eye masks. Because a lot of the other ones, they just fall throughout the day or while you're wearing them. Or you have to, like, sit back in a chair like this and not move. So with this one, I can walk around and do whatever. And nothing's going to be an issue. Now, the only thing that might make us not like this is if I take it off and it looks like crap. But honestly, I don't really see that happening because no matter what, it is very, very cooling. And it absolutely is. Pat in the rest of the serum and, you know, waste not, want not. And I definitely think I can see a little bit of smoothing on the under eye. I definitely feel like the cheek texture is nice and hydrated, and the hyaluronic really helps to plump that up. And I have a little bit of glow to the skin. So all in all, I think those are actually really quite nice. The next item out of the box comes from Moroccan Oil. This is the Perfect Defense Protect. Where's the whole? Perfect Defense. Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense is a weightless, dry aerosol heat protectant spray Nourishing Argan Oil and Vitamin Fuels formula rehydrates hair with protecting against damaging effects of heat styling up to 450 degrees. I don't hot style my hair, so this is a product I'm going to drop in an upcoming giveaway. Also, and I have mentioned this before, no, I haven't mentioned this before. Also, we got a heat protectant last month, the Hot Toddy from Dry Bar. So, do I need 2 heat protectants back to back? I feel like even if you're using hot tools every single day, you are not going to need to use that many. So, from a variation standpoint, I feel like 2 heat protectants so close together, not the best as far as variations. Maybe if you use heat protectant, let me know down below. Do you go through it fast enough that you need one immediately after the month you got the last one? Or would you have preferred this to be in a future box? And that does retail for $28. I don't know if I said that already. On to the next product. This comes from Floss. This is the Floss Beauty Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint, a hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortless, beachy vibe. Formulated for the convenience of easy use, weatherproof, no brush needed, blends seamlessly into your skin for all-day wear, apply directly on the cheeks and lip, and blend out with the tips of your fingers. Retails for $22. I have no makeup on, and this is a lip balm, so I am going to try it on the cheeks, but I'm not going in with a full makeup today, because honestly, that's not what this box is really about. This is in the shade Sandals, and it's cute. So let's see how it is on the lips, and then we'll try some on the cheek. Definitely a no makeup vibe. It's a nice color. I think it's nice. Let's try it on the cheek. So I'm just going to take a little bit here. And I notoriously do not like using my fingers to blend out anything. So I'm going to take a brush that I think was in the last month's box and just blend that into the skin. That's very pretty. A nice sheen of blush. So I'd have to play with it on top of foundation. There's nice pigment there as far as cream blushes go. You know I'm not the biggest fan of cream blushes. But I think that this one didn't, leave any patches. It did leave a little bit of glow. Some nice luminosity to the skin. So I'm not mad at it. On the lips, it's a pretty color. It doesn't feel like a lipstick. It feels like a lip balm. And there's more color than I expected. I expected it to be a little bit more sheer. This definitely has more pigment than I thought. Next up, from Skin Regimen, this is the 1.85 HA Booster. Hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin's lock-in moisture at various levels and restore optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicones and synthetic fragrance, 99.2% natural origin ingredients, retails for $115. It is 0.8 fluid ounces. Typically a serum would be like a full ounce, so it is not a full ounce of fluid, but I don't mind. It is, first ingredients, water and glycerin, so it is more of that super lightweight liquidy feel. I have said this in pretty much every unboxing. When you open skincare, it says here 6 months. 6 months after you open it, it does expire. So I currently have 3 or 4 serums open. So I'm going to put this in the rotation to try next. That way I can give you a little more of an in-depth review once I've tried it. It takes 28 to 60 days to see results from serums. So even if I open this and used it now, all I would be doing is telling you how it smelled and how it felt. I could not tell you how it worked, how it felt. Also, I could not tell you if it worked because, again, it'll take 28 to 60 days to see results. And I just open it to start the timer on it going bad. So instead, I'm just going to put it into my rotation, and when I finish my next serum, that'll be the next one I try. The next item out of the box comes from Zoeva, and this is the Pure Velour Lip Natural Aesthetic. That's a lot of words for a lip. It's a Pure Velour lip. The shade is Natural Aesthetic. Sorry, that's just weird. Soft as velvet, this ultra creamy formula glides onto the lips smoothly, combining intense color with long-lasting formula that sets to a matte finish. The velvety ultra matte lipstick delivers supple and full lips. The formulation of liquid lipstick is 100% free of all animal-derived ingredients, fragrance, mineral oils, parabens, and phthalates. It retails for $15. This is not my color, so I am not going to be opening this. That way I can give it away. You know I don't like things this warm. I like very cool tones, even, things that are a little bit more mauve-y. Even if I go with a red, I want it to be a cool tone or a blue-based red. These really warm, bricky reds, it matches the shirt. And even that, I'm like, I'm trying to get used to wearing these warmer colors, and I'm not really sure how I feel about it. So I'm going to pass on this. I have used the Zoeva liquid lipsticks before. I believe we got them in a box a while back in a different color. I loved the formula, but I don't love this color, so I am going to pass on that as well. And the last item out of the box is one that I am absolutely giving away because I have used it extensively and do not like it. This is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. It is the one in the Octagon tube, if I remember correctly. Yes, it is. The one in the Octagon tube. Experience ultimate volume and the look of thick false lashes. The lash maximizing curvy brush places the most volume at the hard to reach center of the lash line and the defining tip lash style lashes. This mascara's ultra concentrated black pigment delivers the greatest impact, and the flash volume complex creates instant smudge free length and volume in 3 strokes or less. Retails for $27. This mascara is dry, this mascara is flaky, and it ends up all over my under eyes. Ooh, my under eyes look good. Okay, the patches are definitely a hit. My under eyes look really nice. But the mascara, at least for me, is super flaky, and I'm not really a fan of it. I have used it in the past, and it's just not a product I can recommend. So that being said, this box had a retail value of $232, which is over the $175 minimum value, and definitely more than the $35 you spend to get the box. Looking at the products right here, I have a formula I like, but a color I don't, a mascara I don't like, and a hair product that I would not use. So half of the box are products that just aren't for me. The under eye masks are wonderful. I will be using those again. Those retail for $25. The lip balm has a little more color than a typical balm, but it's really comfortable. So it's something I could see myself really liking in the summer. And those 2 products alone are $47 value. So definitely worth the $35 without me even trying the serum, which is $115. It's the most expensive product in the box. So you'll have to stay tuned for an upcoming video where I talk about the serum, because honestly right now I can't give you a review because I haven't been using it for, you know, a month to 2 months. So that being said, definitely a box that's worth its value, but not even in the top 10 for best premium boxes I've gotten in the past year. Yeah, so not the best premium box, but definitely still worth the value. And if, you know, the other 3 products are ones that you would use, then you'll probably get more value out of it than I would. But, I mean, I'm happy just for the one size under eye and just trying a new serum. I do love skincare, and you know that. Anyway, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you agree? Am I being too critical? Should I just love this? I don't. This box is just not it for me. The base box was great. This box just fell short for me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!